In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to optimize Google Analytics in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned marketer or someone just beginning to dip your toes into the world of digital analytics, making sure your Google Analytics is set up correctly is crucial for gathering meaningful insights. So let's dive right into the process of optimizing your setup for better data. First, head over to the Google Analytics Tools and Solutions page for your business needs. This is the starting point of fitting your analytics setup to help your business thrive. If you're new to Google Analytics, you might want to take a minute to explore the various options and features available on this page to enhance your understanding of this robust tool. Next, you'll need to sign into your Google Analytics account. If you already have an account, great, simply click the Sign In button. If not, setting up an account is straightforward and all you need is a Google account to get started. Signing in will direct you to your Analytics homepage where all your key metrics and reports will be available. Ensure you're on the right property and view, as having accurate tracking is foundational to your data analysis. Once you're on the Google Analytics homepage, your next stop is the settings. You can find this by clicking on the admin button at the bottom left of your dashboard. The settings section is where you can start tailoring Google Analytics to best suit your needs. Take a moment here to familiarize yourself with various options and think about what data is most important to your business's success. Now move over to the data collection and modification section. This is where you can customize how your data is collected and fine-tune the setup to ensure completeness and accuracy. Make sure the relevant data collection settings align with your measurement strategy. You want your data to reflect real user behavior as accurately as possible. Next, click on Data Streams. This area of Google Analytics tells you which platforms and devices your data is being collected from. For instance, you might see data streams for a website and an app here. Verify that these streams are correctly set up according to the channels you're using, as it greatly affects the integrity of your data collection. The final step is enabling enhanced measurement. This feature allows for a more granular tracking of user interactions without needing to modify your site code. Ensure that enhanced measurement is turned on so you can automatically track user actions like scrolls, outbound clicks, file downloads, and even video engagements. This feature helps you dive deeper into user behavior and make more informed decisions on user interactions. By following these steps, you're on your way to having a well-optimized Google Analytics setup that can provide meaningful insights to drive your business decisions. Thank you for watching, and happy analyzing.